In this section, we are going to be dealing with a lot of dependencies for our Python application. And those dependencies are very, very useful. They provide a lot of powerful abstractions and a lot of useful methods that we wouldn't really want to write by hand. But in order to use them, we'll have to install the packages that host them for us. And some of those are part of the standard library, but some of them are not. And the ones that are not, we'll have to perform something called a pip install. And pip, or pip, it's the package manager for Python. And if you have Python 3, then it's very likely that the way that you get to the pip for Python 3 is with the command pip3. And there's the command running. And we can take a look at what the packages look like inside pip. There you see all the packages that we'll be using, along with some very standard packages I have here. And we're going to be using Beautiful Soup. We're going to be using some PyYAML. We're going to be using requests and validators. And all of these are installed through a command which looks like this. pip3 install. And let's say I want to install validators again. So you'll see that it says it's already satisfied. And so let me pick something that I don't have, like suppose Django. So you'll see it's a pretty big package. It's installing it. It's installing the dependencies for it. And there we go. Now I have Django. And there it is. And in case you run into any permissions issues, for example, let's see if I do uninstall. So there you go. I got some errors. So you see what I did? I had to use my sudo permissions, so I had to put in my administrator password in order to uninstall this package. And that's because when I installed this package, I had to install it with admin permissions, just like this. I'll show you how that worked. And see, it's downloading it. And now it's installed, and if we do list, it's there again. And that's because certain parts of the package that we use need to have admin permissions on your system in order to operate correctly. So when you install them, you need to install them with those admin permissions as well. And so if you're installing some of these tools locally, you need to make sure that you have admin access to the environment where you are installing them.